Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to create equalizer preset for the headphones REALME Buds Air 5 Pro. You have to start by open REALME application. Now choose your device. Now it's connecting, and after that click on sound effect modes. Then click on plus and now choose the best one for you. I guess this is the best for me, so just back, and we did it. Also you can remove this preset by just swiping to the left and click on delete. And we just did it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!